How you can turn off the read receipts in your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can turn off your read receptions in your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram and you have to open up your DM. Now here you have to open up the chat in which you want to turn off the read receipts and simply go in the personal profile. Now you have to go in the privacy and the safety, and as you can see that here is the option of the who can see your activity and option of the receipt other can see when you have read their messages. You just have to simply turn off it, and once you turn off it, when you see other people messages they are not able to see that you have read their messages. So this is how you can turn off the read receipts in your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.